Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Tableau for AI-driven analytics automation, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Tableau server URL provided by your organization. Press enter to navigate to the site. You will see the Tableau login page. Locate the username and password fields. Enter your designated username in the appropriate field. Next, enter your password. If your organization uses single sign-on, look for the SSO option. Click on the SSO option if applicable. Follow the prompts for authentication through your identity provider. Once your credentials are validated, you will be directed to the Tableau interface. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and prominent features. To start with AI-driven analytics, locate the Projects or Workbooks section. Click on the relevant project or workbook for your analysis. If you need to create a new workbook, look for a New or Create button. Select the data source that you want to connect to. Follow the prompts to load your data into Tableau. Once your data is loaded, navigate to the Analytics tab on the left. Explore the AI-powered analytics options available. Drag and drop the fields you wish to analyze into the view. Utilize the Explain Data feature for deeper insights into your analysis. Review the visualizations generated by Tableau. Adjust any parameters or filters as necessary for your needs. When you're satisfied with the insights, save your workbook. Choose a suitable name and location within your projects for easy access later. You are now logged in and ready to use Tableau for AI-driven analytics automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.